guys, here's your ZD28. These are good mowers. Got your 6-foot deck on it. The hydraulic lift. Hydrostat. Got your 3-cylinder diesel engine in it. Got your roll bar. You take the roll bar and push it down if it's got any tall trees. 2155 hours. It's got a hydraulic lift deck. It's got a little bitty place here they fixed on this deck. I don't know what they've done. Just a little bitty place right here. And that's all I see. This here's a good mower now. As far as we know, it's very, very good.